Hello everyone, thank you so much for joining me today. In this short video, I'm going to be presenting on my research where I examined the relationship between Elon Musk's tweets and Tesla's stock price. Elon Musk is known for two things, the first being his net worth and the second being his erratic tweets. And sometimes those tweets have an actual impact on his companies. As you can see in the image on the left, in July of 2018, he tweeted he was considering taking Tesla private at $420. Tweeting this caused a massive sell-off of Tesla stock, which made the stock price plummet. Quite recently, he tweeted about Tesla stock price being too high, which caused a similar effect. So this relationship between his tweets and Tesla stock price is what inspired this project. For this project, I utilized two datasets. The first dataset contained his tweets from 2010 to 2017, and the second dataset contained Tesla stock price for the same time period. I analyzed my data using Python, and I will be sure to add a link to my code in the description below. For his tweets, I used TextBlob to calculate the sentiment of all the tweets he made in each month, and for Tesla stock price, I used the adjusting closing price to compute my monthly averages. TextBlob is a Python library for processing textual data. It provides a simple API for diving into common natural language processing tasks such as part-of-speech tagging, noun phrase extraction, and sentiment analysis. Polarity is simply defined as the emotion expressed in a sentence. It can be positive, negative, or neutral. So this is my first visualization. On the x-axis, we have the monthly polarity scores for 2012, which runs from -1 to 1. And on the y-axis, we have the average monthly stock prices for Tesla stock. Here we have the regression line for my graph. And as you can see, there was a positive correlation between Tesla's stock price and Elon Musk's tweet in 2012. However, it was on the low end. In 2013, there seems to be a negative and moderate correlation between Elon Musk's tweets and Tesla's stock price. In 2014, there is a negative and moderate correlation. In 2015, there is a positive and moderate correlation. And in 2016, there is a positive and low correlation between my variables. In conclusion, we can see that there is some correlation between Elon Musk's tweets and Tesla stock price, which was the entire point of my project. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have any questions, please feel free to leave them down in the comments below.